Good morning, Orchard Hollow Huskies. This is Mrs. Harris with your morning announcements. Today is Tuesday, December 22nd, 2020. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hello, this is Louie Ileana with your best pledge. To be my best at Orchard Hollow, I will be aware of my mind and motions, do excellent work, stick up for others when needed, treat others as they should treat me. I will reach higher to be my best self at Orchard Hollow.
Happy birthday today to Jonas Helkberger. And happy birthday today to Miss Phenopal. Happy birthday tomorrow, December 23rd, to Charlie Morgan. On December 24th, happy birthday to Juliana Renko. And on December 25th, happy birthday to Troy Lewis. On December 26th, we'll say happy birthday to Mrs. Sanford. December 28th is Gage Dillon's birthday. Happy birthday on December 30th to Rachel Bayless. And on December 30th, we're wishing happy birthday to Ethan Howlier. And now for our joke of the day. Where do snowmen get their weather report? The Winternet. We hope you'll join us today for our last day of the 12 Days of Holiday Spirit. Break out your tackiest sweater today and join us for Ugly Sweater Day. Also today, Mrs. Blue will be spreading some holiday cheer by traveling from Zoom to Zoom for a holiday sing-along. We hope you'll join the fun. Tomorrow, we begin our winter break. Our winter break will be December 23rd through January 1st. We hope you all have a happy and healthy holiday with your families. We look forward to seeing you back in your virtual classrooms on January 4th. And now a holiday message from all of your Orchard Hollow friends in the office. Make it a great holiday, Huskies.